Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your taskbar color into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you can do, just simply click on your right mouse button and then you will get a find option called Personalize. If you click on that, then you'll automatically redirect you to the personalization. And from here, you just need to go for color section over here, and then if you scroll down a little bit, you will find the option called show accent color on start and taskbar. You can see this function is great, so you cannot change it. But if you just come over into your choose your mode option, and if you select it as a dark, you can see right now your show accent color on taskbar start and taskbar is turned on. If you just click on it, you can see it turned on, and you can see it's looking like this right now. So you can change any of color if you want, and it will be changed to green on. You can see into our home screen, it's now showing the taskbar as a screen. If you want to give it as your any preferable color, just minimize it and you can see the color is changed over here. So this is how you can change taskbar color into your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.